Okay, we got a project straight from the barn. I bought this bike at a swap meet about 20 years ago, 25 years ago. And I was moving some stuff around the other day, and I just realized this is a Z1. I kind of forgot about it because it's got the GPZ fork or whatever on it. Well, I don't know if it's GPZ or not. I got to figure it out. But anyway, we got a GPZ fender. The bike is a 74 according to the tag. If you come over to this side, there's a lot of unique parts on this motorcycle. It's got, according to the serial number, it's a KZ1000 engine. Exhaust studs are big, so anyway, it's a KZ1000. It's got Z1 carburetors on it. Probably 74, 75 carburetors. Looks like a KX125 or something side cover. Gas tank, we don't know for sure what year it is. Got a nice paint job. It's got a 74 Speedo. It's got the correct triple clamps. It's got some really different setbacks, which I hope don't interfere with the triple clamp. No, they welded it to the handlebars. They welded these bars to the handlebars to get it to move back. We still got the Speedo. Got 73 headlamp bracket on it with no seam. But the pin is beautiful. Got a beautiful steering pin. Now I'm not sure what this is all about. Maybe I guess that's how they mounted the sidecar. That's pretty cool. So I gotta investigate these wheels. I don't know if it's a 19 or an 18. It's an 18. There's a slight chance that might be a Z1R front wheel. I don't know for sure. But it's got an 18-inch tire on it. The rear tire is an 18. And that might also be a Z1R rear wheel, possibly. Got a nice chain guard on it, Yamaha shocks, GPZ something, tail section. Oh, they drilled holes through it for the bar, but what are you gonna do? Looks like an LTD bar. Z1 fender, KZ taillight. I think it's a Denko monotone left side pipe. I'm not sure. Still got the stock motor mounts and the mount for the side cover that looks stock. 630 chain. And let's come around to this side of the motorcycle. Looks like a KDX or KLX side cover. I think that the rear swing arm is possibly, looks like it's got a 77, 78 rear brake caliper. And it looks like the seat is 77, 78 KZ1000A. Got a little bit different headlamp bracket on this side, but I guess it really doesn't matter. Looks like they welded the key switch to the back of the headlamp bucket. That looks pretty cool. But it's got the correct triple clamps on it for the Z1, and that's getting hard to find. And it's got a busted cylinder head fins, or it looks like they ground them off. I'm not sure. Johnny, see if this thing turns over. We're gonna see if the motor turns over. If the motor turns over, then we're gonna get this motor running. I'll be darned. Motor turns over. So we're gonna get this motor running, and we're gonna offer the motor for sale. And then we're gonna put a Z1 motor in there. Okay, we're going to test this KZ1000 motor. This is the Z1 project that we were working on with a sidecar. So we kind of got it just kind of ready so we can test the transmission and the clutch. And the motor doesn't appear to smoke. However, we got some broken fins, a little bit here, a couple here on the cylinder. But this could be a very nice core motor or something, or I put it in a bike that I just was looking for transportation to clean it up a little bit. If you come to this side here, Got a little bit of scratches here on the dyno cover, a couple broken fins. And we just got a temporary grip set up, so we don't have it so everything is mint, but it's going to be good enough to start it and test the transmission and the clutch. So we put a new chain on it, got a pretty decent sprocket on it, and we put all this stuff on it just so we could get it going. So our theory here is everything that we've done to this bike is going to be good enough for the Z1 that we're going to build, as well as test the transmission. So Kenny's going to fire it up and see what's happening here. Motor doesn't smoke. Appears to be a good running motor. I don't see any oil leaks. Don't see any oil leaks. Seems like it runs. Of course, we have to sell it as is. No warranty. But we're going to be offering it for sale. And hope you like it. Okay, well, thanks for looking at our stuff. And this is a KZ1000 engine, right around 77, 78, somewhere around there. Okay, thanks. So here's the motor we pulled out of the Z1 frame with the sidecar. We had to pull the cam cover off to get out of the motor, or get out of the frame anyway. So the cams look nice. The motor didn't smoke. We had it warmed up, didn't smoke at all. So we just wanted to show you what the internals look like if you come to this side of the motorcycle. It's missing the starter clutch. The stator looks good, and we actually tested it while it was running. The stator was putting out. And this is the crankshaft. Got a few marks, but nothing serious. So it will come without the rotor, but it will have the cover and the stator. Okay, thanks.